pound New Zealand. They're still not breaking. They've not broken on the 4-hour. Price is still respecting this down candle. Look at the daily. This is a mess. So if you don't trade this, then just leave it alone. Okay. Price is a mess on the daily time frame. Yeah, price is just a mess. Okay, so if you do not trade this, just leave this alone for now and let it give you a proper price action. Then you can go in and trade it. On the 4-hour, we do have this last up candle which has supported price and rejected. We also have the rejection block on the daily there, so they could come for that. They could come for that from this down candle which is supporting price now. They could use that and come for this and then break down. Okay, I want to view all this as manipulation and then price continue going higher. At the same time, it could be a sell, price coming back because it was too quick, price coming back to rebalance this last up candle and then continue going lower. So it's two things at the same time. Right, so based on the higher time frame, you want to be careful. On the lower time frame, you could trade breakers or down candles. Okay, and then target, we do have equal highs in here, and then that daily level there. So you could use a breaker. Yeah, we could be going higher for this equal high based on the down candle on the 4-hour as your support, and then looking for a run above that high into the breaker, the rejection block, and then potentially above the equal high. Okay, but if we give up the down candle, then we'll be expecting lower prices. Okay, so watch this down candle. Usually they go up, take out this high, and then come back down and break. And that's what I've noticed them do most of the time. They don't go for the maybe this one could be, because they always want to kill early shorts. Okay, and that's that pattern. The entry pattern number 5. So price is going up, it hits a high time frame level or it fakes out, then it runs back up for the stops and then hit that actual level and then breaks down. So you can sell short here as the turtle soup, okay, or a run above a high, you sell short there, or you wait for it to break down and then you sell short here. Okay, so that's 2 entries there.